Science Time with Megan. I'm really excited that you all chose to come today. Welcome to virtual camp. I'm really excited to have you all. It's nice to see you if I've already met you, and it's nice to meet you if I haven't. So for this experiment, we're going to be making elephant's toothpaste. Did you know that elephants use toothpaste? I'm only teasing, not this kind. So what you need is a mason jar or a jam jar. It just needs to be glass to make sure that this experiment works. You also need some warm water with some yeast in it. I've already put the yeast into the warm water because it needs about 5 minutes to activate. You need hydrogen peroxide, you need some dish soap, you need food coloring of your choice. I picked red. You also need a half cup and a quarter cup measuring utensil. So right now, you're going to take your food coloring, whatever color you picked. My toothpaste has a red stripe in it. What color does yours have? Wait, some of you don't have stripes in your toothpaste? That's crazy. And then we're going to take our quarter cup measuring utensil and we're going to put our dish soap in. I love the smell of this dish soap. It's so clean. You're going to put it right into the mason jar. Then you might need to get an adult for this. Also, make sure that there's an adult present for this experiment and make sure that you're wearing your safety goggles. It could be swim goggles. It could be these cool science goggles that I have. So you need a half cup of hydrogen peroxide. And you're just going to pour that right in. And then you're going to take your water and your yeast. And are you ready? Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool? So it starts to rise up. The gas that's in this experiment now makes it bubble over. See? I kind of have a red stripe. It's so cool. I love it. I love science like this. So again, all you need for this experiment is hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, yeast, warm water, food coloring of your choice. You can get some neon colors and it's really cool. A quarter cup and a half cup measuring utensil. And you can make elephant's toothpaste too. And also remember, safety first, wear your goggles, and also make sure that there's a parent or a guardian or someone there to help you. Thanks for hanging out with me.